Hey guys, it's Tech Racer, and today we're going to do a little bit different video as from our previous videos. I'm having this GTS 2 Mini. So the unboxing is already done. You can watch it in the I button. But while using this watch, I just found out a new thing about this watch, that it is a 5 ATM water resistant. Hmm. But nothing is specified on the box as such. I've just looked around the entire box, but nothing written over it. But on the official website, it is stated that it's 5 ATM water resistant, not waterproof. So keep that in mind, and it does not have any IP ratings. So again, keep that in mind. So it is not completely water resistant. It's on the watch is only water resistant up to a certain limit, that is 5 ATM water pressure. So now guys, let's try to do the water test of this watch and try to splash some water onto it and dip this watch into the water itself, and let's see if it can survive. Obviously it is going to survive, but still let's check it out how it goes. So I have here the bowl. So it's a glass bowl, and I do have a tap water. So let me just so first of all we'll try to remove the screen protector. So I'm having a screen protector onto the top, so I'll just remove it to make the test pretty fair enough. So I'll just remove it. So as you can see, I have removed the screen protector, so I'll just keep it aside. And now we have our watch without any protection as such. So yeah, so now let's try to just pour the water over the watch and let's see what happens. So let me just turn on the watch and let me just crank up the timer. Just make it 10 seconds. Okay, just keep it like this, and we'll just try to pour the water onto the watch. And the watch is running. As you can see, the watch is running, so I'm going to simply lock it. Okay, so let's again try to pour some more water onto it. Okay, still the watch is functioning quite well, no issues as such as of now. Let's try to pour it from backside. No issues as such. So now let's try to uh, bring up. Okay, I'll just wipe up the screen for touch. So let's fire up the heart rate monitor and see if it's working. So if yes, it is working. And yeah, the SpO2 is also working. Okay, I have not wired it, that's why measurement failed. Okay, so it did survive this splash test. So it did not had any issues with that, and everything is working super fine. Now as you can see, I have the bowl filled with water about more than half. So we'll simply dip this watch a bit for about 10 seconds or so, and we'll then take it out the watch and see how it goes. So the timer is set to 10 seconds. Let me unlock it. Yeah, so we'll simply dip the watch. 3, 2, 1. So guys, now it's been about more than 11 seconds. So let me just take this out, and yeah, the watch is still working super fine, no issues. Let's Yeah, sensors are working. Well, it won't work right now. SpO2. Yeah, both the sensors are working, and even the vibration motor is working super fine, so no issues with that as well. So the watch did survive the 10 seconds or 10 plus seconds of test, underwater test. Well, it's not a 5 ATM or not even the 1 ATM as well. So it was a simple test, and the watch did pass out the test. So no issues as such with the watch. Only I need to just dry it up. But I don't think the water went inside because there were no air bubbles coming out when I dipped the watch inside the water. So I don't think there are any uh, places from where the water can get inside the watch. So again, that's pretty nice thing. But make sure that if anything such happens, do not try to charge the watch immediately. Simply dry the watch, and then after some time, when it's completely dried, you can try to charge the watch. So guys, after a couple of minutes, I completely dried up the watch, and as you can see, it did the heart rate monitoring did work fine, and even the SpO2 is working fine, so no issues with it. So the watch is working completely fine, so no issues for the watch as such. So even if you just fall, the watch falls into some water, or it gets some water splash, or even you can wear it while swimming, so that's not an issue. So yeah, the watch did pass the test. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thanks for watching.